let's get back to our budget story. Till now, you've seen the highlights. We got you top voices from the industry. We got you top netas, top mantris, their take as well. Let's have a different take now. We cannot miss out on all the fun that people are having on social media. Some hilarious takes on the budget 2024. Let me take you through some. Now, this user has put out a picture of a man with white hair, drooping shoulders, folded hands with a helpless expression, and it talks about the multiple taxes on a common man. The GST, the income tax, the service tax, the toll tax, gift tax, capital tax, etc., etc. The common man burdened with all these taxes. Let's move on now. Another hilarious take from a user. This is Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, with a bag full of cash. It's quite a huge bag. A very hilarious take on the special announcement that has been made for Andhra Pradesh. Let's move on. Another gem from the handle Gems of Engineering. Here's a representation of how the other states look like at the moment after the special allocation or the big bold allocations that have been made for states like Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. So Bihar and Andhra Pradesh in suit boot, and then you have the other states here pretty much in rags. Let's move on. Let's show you another tweet here, another hilarious take. It's a conversation between two people and they're talking about how to, not come in the tax regime or how to save themselves from paying tax. One user says, बस इतना पैसा कमाना है कि बजट से कोई फर्क ही ना पड़े. And the response to that is, another viewer says, मतलब 7 लाख से कम, तो 7 लाख से कम कमाएंगे तो टैक्स भरना ही नहीं पड़ेगा और बजट से हमारे ऊपर कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. These of course are hilarious takes, and this is what the social media users have to say about the highlights of budget 2024.